You might think that all the cleaning companies are the same. Everyone in the business has access to the same professional cleaning technology, and everyone promises that your facility will be cleaned consistently, which doesn't always happen. That's why we're here. At Mediloop India, we train our staff not just in cleaning, but also how to listen to and respond to your needs. We won't avoid or duck your calls and will respond quickly. We won't tie you down with inflexible agreements either, and we will work with you to modify your services as your business changes. Nor will we ask you to complete lengthy surveys of customer satisfaction reports. Instead, we will reach out occasionally to ensure you're getting what you want. Mediloop India, providing professional commercial cleaning services throughout New Delhi. If your office isn't consistently up to your standards, give us a call.